Hello everyone, welcome to Banking Short Selection. Friends, I am Shivam Sharma, previously was in IDBI, now working in Bank of Baroda. In this video, we will do daily GK update of 21 August 2020. If you want this PDF and also daily quizzes, get attached to my WhatsApp GA group, link is in the pinned comment of video. Now let's start. National Recruitment Agency, that is NRA, will be registered under which act? So it is registered under Societies Registration Act 1860. So you should remember that NRA, that is National Recruitment Agency, will be registered under Societies Registration Act 1860. Youth and COVID-19 impacts on jobs, education, rights and mental well-being. It is a report by ILO, International Labour Organization. So you should remember youth and COVID-19 impact on job is the report by ILO, that is International Labour Organization. Nai Udan scheme. It is the scheme by Ministry of Minority Affairs. So just remember Nai Udan scheme is of Ministry of Minority Affairs. NPCI, that is National Payment Corporation of India, has launched the subsidiary NPCI International Payment Limited, that is NIPL. So NIPL CEO will be Mr. Ritesh Shukla. So just remember NIPL, that is NPCI International Payment Limited, and it is the subsidiary of NPCI, that is National Payment Corporation of India, and its CEO is Mr. Ritesh Shukla. Lakshmi Vilas Bank has launched a contactless digital initiative, that is Lakshmi DigiGo. So just remember that Lakshmi Vilas Bank headquarter is in Chennai. Lakshmi Vilas Bank headquarter Chennai. Name the company which has received 75 crore under SIDBI, that is Small Industry Development Bank of India fund for startup initiative. It is Unitas Venture. So just remember that Unitas Ventures को 75 करोड़ सिडबी की तरफ से फंड फॉर स्टार्टअप इनिशिएटिव के तौर पर मिला है. IIT रुड़की प्लस ब्यूरो ऑफ इंडिया स्टैंडर्ड्स, इन दोनों ने कोलैबोरेशन किया है इन स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन एंड कंफर्मिटी असेसमेंट. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट ब्यूरो ऑफ इंडिया स्टैंडर्ड के साथ IIT रुड़की ने कोलैबोरेशन किया है इन स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन एंड कंफर्मिटी assessment. In exam they will ask which IIT. So just it is IIT Roorkee plus BIS, that is Bureau of Indian Standard. Keith Rowley is now PM of Trinidad and Tobago, and Trinidad and Tobago capital is Port of Spain and currency is dollar. So just remember Keith Rowley is of Trinidad and Tobago and its capital is Port of Spain and currency is dollar. Francisco Asue is now president of Equatorial Guinea. So Equatorial Guinea capital is Malabo and currency is CFA francs. Francisco Asue, Equatorial Guinea. Digital Quality of Life Index released by Surfshark. So just remember Digital Quality of Life Index by Surfshark. India is on 57 rank and Denmark is on top. Digital Quality of Life Index by Surfshark, India 57 and Denmark top. Pinaka rocket, it is made by Economic Explosive Limited and it is first of its kind in Make in India. Pinaka rocket. Ballistic missile Martyr Qasem Soleimani, it is launched by Iran on the name of Martyr Qasem Soleimani by Iran. Name the company which is going to sponsor Team India for Tokyo Olympic 2021. So Olympics will be there in Tokyo in 2021 and Inox will going to sponsor Team India in these Tokyo Olympics. Inox. India Tomorrow, conversation with the next generation of political leaders. It is a book authored by Mr. Pradeep Chibar and Harsha. They both have published this book, Mr. Pradeep Chibar and Harsha, and it is published by Oxford Press. So they both are author and published by Oxford Press, India tomorrow. Bhaskar Mathi died. He was the player of football. Mr. Bhaskar Mathi, he died. And Gopal Swami Kasturi Ranjan, he also died. He was the player of cricket. So just remember Bhaskar Mathi football and Gopal Swami Kasturi Ranjan is of cricket. Sadbhavna Divas. It was on 20 August and it is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Rajiv Gandhi also. So Sadbhavna Divas 20 August and birth anniversary of Mr. Rajiv Gandhi. He was our former Prime Minister. World Mosquito Day. It was on 20 August. World Mosquito Day 20 August. Microsoft Research Lab have developed an interactive neural machine translation, that is INMT, interactive neural machine translation. It is a kind of app that translates between Hindi and which language? So it translates between Hindi and Gondi language, Gondi. Now static from current, काला पानी वैली, इट इज़ इन उत्तराखंड. ये जो चाइना से डिस्प्यूट चल रहा है इसी की वजह से इसका नाम था काला पानी वैली. इट इज़ इन उत्तराखंड. APEC 2020, it was in Kuala Lumpur. APEC 2021, it will be in New Zealand. APEC headquarters is in Singapore. And Lingaraj temple is in Odisha. Lingaraj temple. So this was the news for today. If you like the content, please like the video and also kindly share it with your fellow aspirants and kindly subscribe to the channel also. Thanks a lot.